Hit it.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another awesome day. All praises go to the Most High Yah. Okay, y'all, so today I'm coming to you all to show you one bracelet that you can do. It's a class, okay? It is another jewelry design technique class, okay? I'm going to slow it down a little bit because I'm really excited about this. And I'm going to show you two different ways that you can wear it, but it's just one jewelry design technique. And if you decide to take that class, in the class, I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can wear this bracelet, okay? So here we have it. So this is the class, okay? I've had so many people reach out to me asking me to recreate this, and so I turned it into a class. It is a paid class, okay? If you are interested in learning how I created this, okay, because this is the same as this, the same technique, but different design, okay? All you got to do is go down in the description box. I'm going to leave everything down in there, how much the class is, and you're going to pay through PayPal, okay? Simple and easy and fast. Make sure that when you make your payment that you leave the name of the class, which the class is called Spiral Tower, and make sure I have your email information so that I can send you the class via email, okay? You're going to learn how to create this through a step-by-step jewelry design technique, okay? Another thing that I offer with my classes is that you can watch it as many times as you see fit in your own comfort of your home, on your phone, wherever you are, you can watch this class. You don't have to be in a class to take the class. That's what's so awesome about that, okay? So you're going to learn in that class to do a couple of different ways. You're going to learn how to do the technique itself, but you're also going to learn how to wear, how I'm going to show you a few different ways how to place this on your arm and how to wear it. And also, when you take the class, you can make as many as you want to for other people to buy and purchase, okay? So if you are interested in learning how to do this design, please go to the description box. Everything is going to be down in there, okay? I'm also going to show you in the video what all you would need, okay? I get that question a lot. People ask me, is that going to be included? All your instructions, anything that you're going to need for the class is going to be included in the class, but you have to buy your own supplies, okay? You got to buy your own supplies. So with that being said, if you're interested in learning how to recreate and make this beautiful tower bracelet that you can do so many things with, okay? Please check it out, make your payment, and once you make your payment, I will make sure you have your class, okay? If you decide to order your class late in the day, like around 10 or 9 or 11 o'clock, sometimes I'm asleep, y'all, and that is no lie, so I may not get to it until the next day, but as soon as I see it, you will get your class, okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say, please make sure you thumbs up this here video. Go check this class out, y'all, and make yourself plenty. And you can, when I say you can rock this and make this your own and create it and do some phenomenal things with this technique, trust me, you can. So Thank y'all so much for watching. Once again, please make sure you thumbs up the video and like it and share it out to as many people as possible. All right. And y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.